Hello guys, welcome back to BONOSS Streaming Live. I'm Lulu. In today's video, I will introduce BONOSS active cooling with spacers for Maserati GT. As a professional automotive wheel parts manufacturer and supplier, BONOSS has more than 10 years of professional experience, focusing on producing and manufacturing safe automobile foot wheel spacers, lock nuts, bolts, and other modification accessories. Why should you choose BONOSS Maserati GT wheel spacers? We have the global patent active cooling technique. As a professional wheel spacers manufacturer and supplier, BONOSS has created the world's first active cooling technique based on years of experience, breaking the long-term single function of the wheel spacers. Through the rotation of the wheel spacers, the external cold airflow takes away the internal heat, so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling, improve the brake efficiency, and reduce the risk of driving safety. Installing BONOSS active cooling with spacers on Maserati can improve the brake efficiency, maintain the brakes at normal temperature, and ensure your driving safety. BONOSS Maserati GT wheel spacers adopt sporting process with high-strength aluminum alloy 6061T6 and aluminum alloy 7075T6, which features many desirable properties: high strength, wear resistant, excellent toughness, impact resistant, and high temperature resistant. Compared with the aluminum alloy 6061T6, the aluminum alloy 7075T6 strength and toughness are also greatly enhanced. The strength of aluminum alloy 6061T6 wheel spacers are totally strong enough for daily driving. However, if you like drifting, better choose aluminum alloy 7075T6 wheel spacers. The lock nuts of wheel spacers have reached the ISO standard grade 10, and the wheel bolts of these wheel spacers have reached the ISO standard grade 12.9, which have higher strength than stock one. Each BONOSS wheel bolts and lock nuts are BONOSS engraved, meaning they are made by BONOSS own factory. The quality is guaranteed. BONOSS products has got more than 66 SGS-2V authority test reports, and all achieved excellent scores. By these authority test reports, BONOSS truly achieves the quality and professional expressed in the form of data and truly guarantees safety. OEM ODM customization within 3 days from 3mm thin to 160mm thin is available. PCB and CB conversion wheel adapters and thread size, thickness, and bolt patterns are customized according to your exact requirements. BONOSS product has 10 years warranty. You can feel free to buy it.
Aluminum quality Maserati GranTurismo wheel spacers for aftermarket offset wheels come to priority. They make the wheels feel the fender well, achieving a more aggressive and sportier stance. By moving the wheels and tires afterwards, these Maserati GranTurismo wheel spacers increase the track width. A wider track provides your Maserati sports car with better traction, handling, and stability.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.